It all started with that glance, that simple turn of her head, those jewel eyes staring at you as her lips slowly curved to form a smile. You wanted to act cool, but you just can't help but smile too. This feeling's something I've never felt before. Gutom lang ba to? Nasi-CR ba ako? Or is this what they call love?
Love at first sight? Ito na ba yun? Feeling ko, kahit ilang beses ko pa siya makita, masasabi kong love at first sight nga. I think this is it. Ito na yung sinasabi nilang love.